Recent clients inquired about DLP light engines for 3D printers. Their key question: how do these differ from standard DLP engines? There are mainly 4 differences, including 3D printers use UV wavelengths 385405 nm for curing. Lens distortion must be 0.2% to ensure printing accuracy. The dot pitch of the projection screen is very small, ranging from 0.03 to 0.075 mm. Industrial cameras required for calibration due to ultra-fine details. Strict signal control prevents layer cracks and misalignment.